Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create a centrifugal blade impeller. Also, in this video, you will learn some basic commands like extruded boss base, revolve cut, and also the flex command. So let's start our video. First of all, select a new part file, click OK. Make sure that the unit system is MMGS system. Now select the top plane, sketch and draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. The dia is 300 mm. Now draw another circle, also a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension and this length is 2 millimeter and this length is 4 millimeter. Also this dia is 40 millimeter. See, now click OK. Control 7. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Face and select here this face. Extrude up to 5 mm. Click OK. Again select this face, sketch, select this circle, press the control key and select all these lines. Go to convert entities. Also draw one more circle. Go to smart dimension. The dia is 50 mm. Click OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base and type here 100. You can choose any length you want, maybe 120, 130, doesn't matter. Now click OK. Okay, now for blade parts, I will use line command. So first of all, select this face, sketch, use line command, and from this point to the top, draw a vertical line, escape. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and choose here blind and type 100 mm. Also choose direction 2 and type here 5 mm. Now click OK. Also uncheck the mesh result and click OK. See, this is not in the middle. See, this is on the single side. So we will edit this feature. Just go to edit feature and select here mid plane. Now click OK. Okay, now for the twisting of the blade, just go to insert, features and choose here flex. Choose this blade and move up to 90 degree. We want this x-axis on this side, so just move upward. and see, this is full perpendicular to each other. Now drag this point up to the center of this cylinder, anywhere in the center. I think this is okay. Now choose here 0 in the x-axis, also in the y-axis 0 millimeter, and also in the z-axis 0 millimeter. Now choose here twisting and select here 40 degree. You can increase or decrease as you like. I will increase some. We will just keep on 44. See, this is now looking good. Fit to area. See, now click OK. Now see, okay. Now go to circular pattern. Select here the whole of this cylinder and check the bodies and select here this plate. We want 7 to type here 7. Click OK. See, Control 7. Okay, now for giving the cut, choose here front plane and sketch, and choose here wireframe. See, now choose line command, and from the center, see, this is its center. First see this point, and now see, this is its other point. Draw lines like this. You can zoom it like this. Now zoom out like this. Again zoom out this point, and now like this. Now go to sketch fillet. This is very important. Select this line, press the control key and select this line. Also this line and this line. See, you can increase the radius up to 40 or I think 50. This is your own choice. You can select whether 55, 60. This is your own choice. Click OK. Go to features and choose here revolve cut, and just select this single line. Okay, see, now click OK. Now change the view. See, our part is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.